Hello students, how are you? Today we will make another simple landscape painting and we will learn a different methodology to color our painting. Here are the stairs, curved path to occupy the exact, or you can say the appropriate space of the stairs to give its at the right place, not too much steep, not too much slide. Okay, our stairs are going to be completed. 1 minute, just one side remaining. Here also. Okay. Yes. Here will be some trees. For the reminding, I am making lines. Okay. So today we will work three terms with the three terms. Number one, highlighted plane. In our landscape, one side of our building must be facing the light source. Definitely in our daily life, when you will observe the buildings, let's suppose this is the highlighted point facing light, and these two planes are the normally facing the light. So number one is highlighted plane, that is directly facing the light source, that will be more glitter, more highlighted, and that will be our first plane. And number two, second plane, that is moderately facing the source of light, that is showing its actual color due to its normal reflectivity to the light. So number one will be highlighted plane, number two will be normal light, and that plane that is showing its actual color, and number three will be the dark plane, or you can also say this the shadow side. Shadows will come in the number three term. So we will illustrate all these points in our painting. Let me apply the water for the smooth blending of the basic color wash. Yes. Background will be sky. For the smooth blending, I am using flat brush. Flat brush offers a lot of smooth coloring. A little bit dark here, applying one more layer of color here. Okay, it will be blend with it. So I'm making it clear. First I make the wet and then absorb the water with the cloth. You can also use tissue paper or cotton or foam to clear the color. Here will be a grassy field. Here also a grassy field. Okay, I think this lesson is going to be interesting, that you will learn a little bit different technique to color. So this is our highlighted plane. A light shade of any color you can use here. In fact, landscape is not much difficult, so because we have to do almost one color in one plane, too much easy. Okay, a little bit dark from the bottom to give it a better look. Yes, it will be blend with the whole plane. And this was our highlighted plane that is facing the light. So this is our second plane that is moderately facing the light, not too much highlighted, not too much dark. Mid-tone, you can also say, in our, as we did in our previous drawings in color pencil we did mid-tone. So same here, this plane will be a mid-tone, or you can say a mid-plane. So a little bit dark from our, you can say a little bit more colorful than the highlighted plane. This also mid color. I'm trying to give it texture with the brush. I will not use gel pen in this painting. These lines will give texture in shape. So here will be border. Okay, almost near to complete the shed. Its boundary of the other side. So it will specify the boundary of the upper side, you can say other side. And this line also going to specify its boundary. Here also some cottages. Two. The second one is this. Yes. Blend with the plane length. So now we are working with the third term, shadow of the shed. That will be the third point. Almost I am going to apply this point in the last, because first I did highlighted point, that was the light in color definitely, and then the mid plane of mid color, that was a little bit more dark than the highlighted point, and then I'm doing the dark tone, or you can say the shadows, because it is easy for the brush for the cleaning for the exact color. If I did shadow first, then I must clean my brush thoroughly to avoid the black color in the mid plane. Leaves of the trees. These drops, my brush is full of water. When I dried, I paint these leaves. I'm just touching the paper and the drop of water is placing there. It will dry and will give a sharp look. And the shadows. Okay, these are almost near to complete. Here also some background. So this playing a little bit wet, but not too much. That's why I am applying second layer for its finishing. Okay, dark line. It will look good. Yeah. Here also the third point, shadow. Here is also the shadow of this corner of the shed. Sorry, edge of the shed. Window-like structures. Making more dark the shadow. It will give these lines will give the texture plus depth. Okay, like this. Some more dark spots in the tree to give it more depth. The shadows. Here are the slides like of a landscape. Okay, this side almost near to complete. Okay, this also a little bit more dark. Oh yes, okay. Set to some more structures here. Yes, another layer of the next tone to make it more dark. Okay, the land, so the stairs, Most interesting part of this painting, I like the stairs too much. The upper colors are highlighted, and as I am coming down I will make them darker. Observe it carefully. It is going to be light, but I will make it dark, not worry. I'm just making the paper wet so the next color will blend smoothly like this. Yes, you can observe the depth part here. As I make the step dark, it is looking more beautiful and it is giving us the deep look. Like this, so much beautiful, I think. One more layer to each step. Oh, a little bit more dark, sorry. Okay, now the sides, the lower side of the upper stair and the upper side of the lower stair, lower side of upper stair and the upper side of lower stair. Touch them with each other and you will get the nice effect. Same with this side, lower side of upper stair and upper side of lower stair. Lower to upper, lower to upper, lower to upper side, lower to upper side, lower to upper side. Okay, I'm waiting it wet, so I'm going to apply a dark tone here that will more enhance our stairs. So water, the color, dark color, just touching my brush. As I have spread water, the color will spread. Yes. Okay, just let it dry a little bit, then I will apply the second layer here. Yes. Few more structures here to cover our space. Just placing my brush as the surface is wet. Dark spots here. Okay, almost near to complete these houses. Yes, specify its boundaries. first layer of the black, green and brown. So you can observe the stairs are much highlighted with this black color. As you can see, any dark tone, dark colors you can use here to enhance your stairs. So this was our today's lecture. I am stopping it here. You can also make more finishing to get better result. So otherwise, if I did, our video will be more lengthy. That's why I'm stopping it. You can understand the terms clearly. I try to define each term and to illustrate each term. You can use these terms, divide your plane, divide your landscape in 3 planes and then start coloring. I hope you understand this, and if you have any question you can ask me. Thank you.